Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad vegetables with cheese. We will start by selecting the freshest ingredients. A great salad begins with a vibrant mix of greens, like romaine or spinach, ensuring they are perfectly crisp. Remember to wash and dry all your produce meticulously. This crucial step prevents your dressing from becoming diluted and helps it adhere beautifully to every leaf. Now, let's talk about selecting and preparing your vegetables. Aim for a diverse mix, perhaps 3 to 5 different types, to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Harder vegetables like bell peppers or cucumbers should be uniformly chopped into small, manageable pieces, about 1/2-inch cubes. For leafy greens, gently tear them by hand instead of cutting, which helps maintain their delicate structure. The star of our show, cheese, adds a wonderful dimension. Select a cheese that harmonizes with your chosen vegetables. For example, a salty feta pairs beautifully with Mediterranean flavors. For each serving, aim for about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of cheese, either grated, crumbled, or shaved. This ensures a delightful cheesy bite in every forkful without overpowering the fresh vegetables. Finally, let's talk about dressing and serving your masterpiece. Always add your dressing right before you plan to serve, as this prevents the greens from becoming soggy. For a generous serving, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of dressing is usually perfect. Gently toss all the ingredients together, ensuring every piece is lightly coated. Serve immediately to enjoy the freshest, most vibrant flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.